Today we talk about how can you disable order updates notifications on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, so when you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above settings here, click on it. When you just click here on settings, so when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, you come here to other updates, just click here on edit. So then you come to next step here, you come here to push, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean other updates notifications disable with us now. And here can you disable it for email too. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.